Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So right now let's look at Swastikasana. It's one of the meditative asanas. For all the details, please refer to your book because it has given you every single detail for this asana. It's in depth, so make sure that you look at it before you practice. Right now, let's look at the practical part of it. So this is one of the sitting asanas. I'm going to start from simple cross-legged pose, Sukhasana. From here, it's a very simple asana. I'm just going to lift any one foot and place it on opposite thigh. And make sure your spine is straight. Hands in any mudra you like. Chin lifted up a little. Eyes gently closed and bring that beautiful gentle smile on your face. Make sure you're not slouching again. The spine is well erect. Gentle smile on your face. Just find your peace, center. Breathe normal. And to release, gently open up your eyes and bring your foot in Sukhasana. Happy practicing.